Hi everybody and welcome back to another grocery haul video. So this week I have gone into Asda and Aldi as usual, and I'm going to start off by showing you what I've picked up from Aldi. So one of the first things I've got is some blue milk and some lactose-free milk for Ayla. I've also got some of these smoothies that are apple and blackcurrant. Got some butter, some cherries and strawberries. Got 3 bananas. I've got some ham, some cheese strings, and then these like fridge raiders, except they're called snacking chicken. I got 6 cartons of orange juice and 6 cartons of apple juice. These are just like the mini ones with the straws. I also picked up some soft bakes, so we've got the hazelnut ones and the strawberry ones. Ayla quite likes these. Got some fridge raiders, a pack of chocolate chip cookies, one of these mini essential pizzas. All I'm going to do is add some extra toppings to this, and this will be perfect for Ayla. Chocolate chips for baking with. And then I also picked up 2 packets of these. I'm not sure if these are meant to be like, what's it called? Something Delight. Angel Delight, sorry. So I picked up 2 of these. I have no idea if Ayla will like them. We've got one in strawberry and the other one is in chocolate. Got some Tube-It yogurts for Ayla. Some ready-made mash. 2 packs of dog treats for Maverick. We've got chicken twists and beef strips. Some burger buns. I also got a tub of double cream. This is to make pasta with through the week. Some large beef dripping Yorkshire puddings. 2 packs of toilet tissue wipes. Some garlic bread to go with the pasta I'm going to make. A box of 6 eggs. Also got some pork loin steaks. And then a pack of 2 gammon steaks. Got some tagliatelle pasta. Sweet and salty popcorn. I thought me and Ayla might watch a movie one day this week, so that will go good for that. A bag of carrots. I also picked up this barbecue pulled pork, so that's what's going to go in the buns one day this week. Some cotton buds as we'd ran out, and the ones that I picked up last time were makeup ones, so they've got one side's like a pointy end, the other side's flat. They're no good for cleaning your ears with, so I've just picked up some proper ones. Got some sage and onion stuffing, some chicken breast mini fillets, and then I've also got 2 packs of pork mince for Maverick's homemade dog food. And that is everything that I have picked up this week from Aldi. And the total came to £61.86. So I'll show you what I got from Asda now. So this is everything I got from Asda. I've got some white thick bread. I also picked up one of these impulse body sprays as I'd ran out. Some 4 cheese blend. I also got Ayla her 5 cans of pop. She's got 2 apple ties, a Sprite and 2 Dr. Peppers. I also got myself an 8 pack of Coke. I got 2 pots of the mandarins in orange jelly. And then I also got Ayla some jelly. She's got the blackcurrant and a strawberry. Got Maverick one of these big dog treats, the chicken and carrot sticks. Some creamy cheese pasta mug shots. I like these just as some quick snack on the go if I'm going anywhere or I'm not super hungry but I just fancy something. I also got some American style pancake mix. This rainbow cookie mix. This was quite nice last time we made it, so I thought we would get that again. And then lastly, I picked up some paracetamol. This was only £1.50. It was on offer, so I'm not sure if they were like selling them off. But I thought best to stock up and get one. So that's everything that I've picked up from Asda. And the total came to £25.63. So I'm just going to get on now and start putting this all away. And this is how the fridge looks now that everything has been restocked. I've had to make sure that I've got lots of snacks. With it being the 6-week holidays, Ayla is eating more things at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.